हाय एवरीवन, यू आर वाचिंग स्टाइल विद शिवी, जहां पे मिलती है आपको मेकअप फैशन प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू की झटपट अपडेट। लेट्स गो एंड स्टार्ट आवर मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल।
So guys, very firstly I'm applying True Jewel 24 karat gold purple primer and which is very smooth in texture. Blend करना इतना ज़्यादा easy है that you will feel super buttery effect. And after that, I will apply Purplle Caffeine Combrade Long Stay Foundation, which is a liquid foundation. As you can see, shade is very soothing and very टचिंग टू माई स्किन एंड द शेड नंबर इज़ 03। ये बहुत ही अच्छा लिक्विड फाउंडेशन मैंने अब तक यूज़ किया है। इजी टू ब्लेंड है और इसकी कवरेज भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा मीडियम है, ना ही ज़्यादा लाइट है और ना इन शॉर्ट अगर आपको अपने मेकअप लुक को हैवी लुक देना है तो आप इसे बिल्डअप कर सकते हैं एज आई एम डूइंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ कंसीलर और मैं लिक्विड फाउंडेशन को ही यूज़ कर रही हूँ। And now let's do the very important step, that is sealing our makeup with this loose powder. And today I'm using Purplle Be Your Own BFF Compact with SPF and the shade is Beach Self Care 3. And this is just amazing. You can see the overall base of my face, which is absolutely very natural, isn't it? Okay, so now I'm filling my brows with light brown my eyebrow stick, and afterwards I'm using purple dark black eye kajal, and इससे मैं अपनी आँखों में थोड़ा सा जो बफिंग आउट लुक है वो दूंगी सो दैट मुझे यहाँ पे स्मोकी लुक मिले। लेकिन बिफोर दैट आई एम यूजिंग पर्पल दिस अमेजिंग ब्राउन शेड लिपस्टिक एंड द शेड आई विल लेट यू नो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एंड दिस इज अ ब्राउन इन कलर एंड लिपस्टिक कंप्लीट नेम इज अल्ट्रा HD velvet matte lipstick beach eating companion 3. I guess this is the shade, and this is very buttery smooth and so much glossy, but after applying it directly sticks to your skin. Alright, so now it's final time to give my eye a very amazing look, and for today's makeup I am doing little bit smudge eye makeup look, or you can say the buff out eyes or smoky eye, and little bit wing I will make with the help of my angular brush, and I will try to buff it out. If I talk about this kajal consistency, this is again a very glossy, super easy to blend. You can easily apply over your lash line in waterline too, and this is so intense kajal, and trust me the look is coming so soft. See, my eye shape is little bit small, so that's why I'm doing half kajal look so that it will give my eye a filler and a bigger look. Okay guys, so after doing our base and eye makeup, now it's time to apply lip shade over my lips, and this is, as I told you earlier, dark brown lipstick from the Purplle brand, and the shade is Beach Eating Companion 3, and this is super glossy and amazing. And see, this is my final look. I hope you really enjoyed today's tutorial. If you like it, then don't forget to hit the bell icon and like this video. Do share with your family, friends and with your girlfriend. And if you are new here, then please subscribe my channel, don't forget to that. And if you want to follow me on social media, my Insta and Facebook handle is Stylewithshivi. See you soon. Thanks for watching.
Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. See you soon in next video. Till then, take care, keep watching Style with Shivi. Bye bye.